dudes, and today I'm going to be using the texture pack of Forest of Gruesome Death. One of my own. Just made it today. And this, I think you can see, is my first video. So, let's start off with some random melons. So we can have food, because it's actually going to get really dark. I made the texture pack so you can't see any leaves. Then it looks like just looks like dead trees. Let's get some pigs. What? What? Why is there instead of leaves? Yes. I have lots of food. I don't really need to worry about food for now. I was inspired to make this texture pack by Huxley and Pilot. It's just a book. Better get some wood. And okay, it's a bit laggy, and there's some glitches. Like, what the heck? Okay, maybe it's just lag or something. Wait. Yeah, I'm having some issues with this. For some reason, I don't know why. Okay. The sky's always dark. And everything looks sort of weird. Yeah, it's a work in progress. I'm gonna convert these. There we go. And where should I build my house? I can't see any leaves. What the? Let's build a tree house. I love building tree houses. They're easy, actually. Okay. Some more planks. Make a crafting table. And yep, here we go. Let me just make some sticks. Oh, place it down. And 2 axes. Here we go. Get our crafting table back. Yep, here we go. And then we can go right back up. Let's use our axe. These glitches. So annoying. This is gonna take forever. Okay, I think I'm just gonna cut out this clip right now. I'm gonna eat some food too. Yes, and we finally reached the top. Just clearing out some leaves that you can't see. Super annoying. Very buggy. And Minecraft has been lagging. Yep, look at the sun. That sun doesn't look like a sun. So, what the? Be careful here. I don't want to be falling off. It's very... Why can't I move? Oh, yes. These are everywhere. That is the reason. I have a little bit of jungle wood. leaves look okay. I mean the trees. The wood is good. Can make great looking planks out of them. It's just that they're like, okay. It's just that their leaves are torn off. Yeah. Oh, what? These leaves are so annoying. I regret making them invisible. Leaves. I'm gonna clip this part out again. I'm just gonna come back when I'm done with my house. Okay, it's been nearly 2 days. What is that thing? That hill? Never mind. It's been nearly 2 days, and yeah, look at that. I have almost finished my house. Just need some glass, furnace, torches, and a bed. I need to make the final touches, but that'll be later for next episode. Hope you guys enjoyed my first video, and see you guys next time. Goodbye!